Oh, yeah. Now we're cooking. Hey, welcome back, Whiskey Questers, to another episode of Whiskey Quest. You guys are new to the channel. My name's Antonio. Anybody coming back, subscribed or not, welcome back to the channel. And if you haven't subscribed, then definitely hit that subscribe button for more content like this. So right here, we got Buchanan's whiskey, or blended whiskey flavored with pineapple. This is recently added to their lineup not too long ago, and was gifted to me on my birthday by my good friends Nancy and her husband Victor. Thank you very much for contributing to my alcoholism. So this right here will cost you around $35. It's 35% ABV as most of, or 35% ABV as most of the flavored whiskeys will be. So for a whiskey to be called a whiskey, doesn't matter if it's Scotch, Japanese, bourbon, whatever, minimum requirement for ABV has to be at least 40%. All right, so keep that in mind. Once they add anything flavored or just anything besides putting it in the barrel, it's technically considered like a liqueur, or it's just a spirit. So this one right here is flavored with pineapple. It says natural flavors. Well, it says crafted with Scotch whiskey, pineapple, citrus, and other natural flavors. And it says spirit drink, like I was explaining. So in the Hispanic community, it's very well known that if you mix Buchanan's specifically, or mainly, Buchanan's Deluxe, the 12-year, so it's their lower end bottle, with pineapple juice, it tastes pretty darn good. So having paid attention to what's going on in these communities, they just said, hey, why don't we just give them flavored whiskey with pineapple? And trust me, people went crazy looking for this. Like, they were like, whoa, wow, I saw it over here. No, I saw it over there. And I was like, I want to try it first. But like I said, I got this gifted to me. Again, Buchanan's looking bottle, all across their line, typical looking shape. But let's just get into this and see what we get. This is definitely pineapple in the glass. Pineapple juice. I don't smell a drop of whiskey in this, so you could probably give this to a newbie and be like, they'll smell it, it's like, oh, it's pineapple juice. Hints of smoke in the very back. Maybe a little bit of vanilla going on, but it's really that pineapple coming out. And it doesn't really smell like a synthetic kind of thing. It smells like real pineapple juice. All right, not much to the nose. What we really want to know is, does it taste good? Cheers. Yeah, on the palate, it definitely tastes candied. So maybe this could be like if you guys have ever grilled pineapple, it just makes it sweeter, adds a little bit of like a smoky flavor, and that's what you get in the glass. So so again, grilled pineapple. That ABV gets masked by the sweetness of this. So you don't really taste the alcohol, at least not for me. But again, besides that pineapple, you do get that like a creaminess going on. It's very weird, so considering the ABV is not too high. A little bit of honey, maybe a little bit oaky, but very faint towards the end. And yeah, and then it just starts disappearing. So it's got a pretty short finish, what can you expect? But this right here is mainly intended to be mixed. I guess you could put an ice cube in there or not, but I bet you mixed is where this would be better enjoyed right here. A lot of you might not know this, but there's like a little marble in there. So whenever you pour this, it's not gonna come out. Well, that one did. Maybe because I was shaking it, I don't know. But reason for that is so you wouldn't put fake whiskey in their bottles. That's something I learned when I reviewed the Buchanan's Deluxe 12 years. So if you guys want to check out that video, I'll link it up right here for you guys. Definitely check it out. So yeah, not much on their website besides in Spanish it says it's piña. Piña means pineapple, and like I said, I'm pretty sure they made this for the Latino community. But what I love about Buchanan's is it has that smoky flavor. This one has a little bit of it going on, like I said, barbecued or grilled pineapple. So what I was thinking, I said mix it. I know you guys might hate me and might even start subscribing after this, but I'm gonna pour a little bit of Ardbeg in it. Yeah, see if I can make that smokiness a little bit better. This one right here is the Ardbeg Wee Beastie. It's only a 5-year-old Scotch, but damn, is it good. Well, maybe that's too much. Or is it? You guys can check out my review on this too. I'll link it up also right here for you guys. So let's do a little swirl here and see what we get. Oh yeah, now we're cooking. Yeah, pineapple and barbecue, like putting the pineapple that's been grilling on top of some like barbecue pork ribs or something. Awesome. Woo, I like that. I like that. All right, let's see how it tastes. Cheers. Yes. Oh yeah. That, you know what? Man, it's just intensified the smokiness. You still get that pineapple going on, but now you get that smokiness going on. Like I said, just like barbecued ribs with the grilled pineapples on top, and you're just eating it all together. Fantastic. Fantastic in my books. Hey, Buchanan's, I just improved your whiskey. Or I should say Ardbeg improved your whiskey. All right, everybody, that's it for the review today. A little goofy, but hey, I think it worked. It worked, definitely. If you guys get a chance to pick this up, it doesn't suck. I've tried other flavored whiskeys, and then I'm like, I'm not gonna buy it. But this, I think, will definitely stay on my bar, especially when I have people come over and I just want them to try something and get into whiskey. But then I'll start pouring a little bit of Ardbeg in their glasses and see what they think. All right, so again, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. It definitely helps out. Dropping comments in the description, or dropping comments down below definitely help out as well. Let me know what you guys think. Did I just commit some kind of crime by doing this monstrosity here? I don't know. Drop a like on this video if you liked it. And again, thank you for showing up. I'll see you guys on the next video. Hey. Smoky goodness.